Hey everybody. So we went ahead and administered the informal assessment to Jacob, and so I'm here to discuss the results that came from that assessment and kind of what that means for here on out for Jacob. So what we did with Jacob is we had him, one of his goals was mathematical calculations, which there were several kind of subcategories involved in that goal, but one of them was counting coins, and that is really a true deficit for him. And so I wanted to see, kind of where we were in regards to his ability to count coins and also to be able to count change. And so what Jacob was asked to do was, first of all, he was asked to just identify coins: pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And then he was asked to not only know what those coins' values are, but to be able to count them and total them up, to be able to tell if he had enough money to buy candy. And so this assesses just his coin counting abilities and ability to count change within $1. And with math, overall, it's basically a yes or no. Did he get it right or did he not get it right? And so when I was looking at his paper, it was evident, he should be able to identify the coin value, and he should be able to identify the coins presented, and to be able to tell if the amount shown is equal to or greater than the amount that was typed next to the coins that were shown. There were 8 different coin combinations on the paper, and Jacob was able to identify correctly 3 out of the 8. His goal is to correctly identify or to correctly complete the assessment with 85% accuracy on 8 out of 10 trials, and his percentage was 37%. So this tells us that he does know his coins and what they're worth, but his struggles are with counting on. So for example, he knows that a quarter is 25 cents, but when you add a nickel or even another nickel to that, his ability to count from 25 to 30 to 35 is very low. So there's definitely some strengths and weaknesses in that area. I feel like this was very effective in just a quick informal assessment for me to see his progress with this goal. But I do feel like next time we may need to separate these tasks and possibly just ask him first to identify all coin values. And then secondly, maybe we ask him to just add the amounts of money without the actual coin. So basically what that means is, instead of showing him a quarter and a nickel, asking him to add 25 plus 5. And then I feel like this assessment is pretty on par with showing the need that he has with mathematical calculations, in particular the coin identification and counting. So I do feel like this is a work in progress for Jacob, and I feel like as we work with him with concrete objects and allow him just more intense practice with one-on-one in the classroom, that we should see some improvement. But right now, like I said, he's at a 37% accuracy rate, and so we definitely need to see that go up. So that's kind of where we're at with this particular informal assessment, and we will keep you posted. Thanks so much.